So this is the first big snow day for the kids. This is their first winter. Flora, Fauna, and Merryweather. And we're going to do a grand unveiling of all this snow.
And for Flora.
1, 2, 3. Not everybody at once. Please don't crowd at the door.
Hi, Fauna. Oh, she's shivering. Oh, yeah, it's deep, huh?
Yeah, it's a bit much, huh?
It's up to her knees.
I always have the heat lamp on for you. Hi.
It's up to your knees out there.
Uh-huh.
Hi, Fauna. Hi. Hey, sweetheart. Come here. Thank you for your eggs last night. Yeah. Ooh. That was a big drop. I think she likes walking in footprints, but not walking by herself.
Yeah, that might be. Uh-oh. Here comes our speckled hen.
Uh-oh. Merryweather. This is the slowest I've ever seen her walk. Oh, Flora! Here she comes.
Can't see her now. The old camouflage bird.
Where did Flora go? How exciting. First snow. Slippery. They're like, Daddy, can you just bring us worms?
Yeah.
There's our babies.
Hi, girls.
They need little coats.
Yeah.
They're all looking at you. What now?
Yeah. Here. Look in here. Oh, yeah. She's trying to
Making
thaw out
some
the snow.
brown snow.
Yeah. Trying to thaw that crap out.
Sweetie birds. There they go, off on their own adventure. Look at those cute little chicken tracks. Let's go, Merryweather, let's go. Yeah, let's go. She's like, I'm itty bitty and I'm cold, so no.
Dinosaurs on the loose in the snow. Ooh. Dinosaurs slipping on ground.
cute. Looks like we got about 4 inches.
Yeah, I lost my bed at work.
Oh my goodness, it's up to your knees. You better stay in the shallow end. So Fauna makes beautiful olive-colored eggs. Can have a tinge of blue and a tinge of brown. And Flora makes beautiful blue eggs. Yes. And then Merryweather is taking an egg break, but hers are cute and small and they're peach. Little peach eggs.
Micah makes white eggs.
Micah eats the eggs. Oh! Merryweather's not sure about any of it. Smart chickies. They're snuggling under their tarp, honey. Because they're smart.
Okay, little one.
It's cold, guys. Whoop! And Merryweather just landed on my back.
Yep. Here.
She has a habit of doing that.
Yeah. Here you go. Come here.
Get her?
Yeah.
Well, hi there, lady. Shh, shh, shh. Yeah, it's cold.
Is it warmer up here, maybe? Hey, fuck that noise. Are you trying to obscure me from the picture?
She's a ham.
She's a hen ham.
She's our cute little star.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that fluffy butt.
Yeah.
I think she wants a taxi.
Yeah. We always thought she wasn't the bright one.
Sweetie girl. So cute.
Yeah.
What are you doing up there? Look at your beautiful speckles.
Oh, yeah, no. Oh, hi, baby.
Is she whispering secrets to you?
Yes, she says, Daddy, I wish you could go to the corner pub and get an old speckled hen. Oh, yes. Oh, you're such a sweetheart. Always thinking of her da.
She looks cold. She poofed up a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she's taking care of your little lice there.
Lint.
Sweetheart.
Yeah. Oh, Fauna hopped up on a... Or Flora hopped up on a ladder. She's trying to stay out of the cold, too.
Oh, yeah. Maybe she needs a taxi. Flora, baby. Come here.
Have you had fun in the cold yet?
Oh, she's trying to get the grass. Come here. Come on. There you go. Oh, your feet are so cold. There's our baby. There's our baby. Here comes Flora.
Oh, boy. Come on, Fauna.
Up you go. To your warm daddy.
Mm-hmm. Quite get that, does she?
likes to walk in reverse. There you go.
Yeah.
And then there were 2.
What the cluck?
But wait, there's more.
Oh boy.
Got one more stranded girl. Come here. There you go. There you go. They're so trained. Hey, babies.
You remember this from when we were younger. Where are you gonna?
We're going for the Christmas card, honey. Here we go. You all right with this? Here we go. Oh, yes, yes. Now just turn that way a little bit. Whoa, we lost one. No, Flora. Come down. Come on, girl. Come on. Here. Okay. Just a little bit so there's snow in the background.